CPSIA compliance is mandatory for toys and other children's products sold in the United States. That said, trying to make sense of children's product safety rules, tracking labels, certification, and testing is easier said than done. It's hard enough just knowing where to find the right information. But what if there was an easier way? Let our CPSIA course be your guide. We break down complex CPSIA requirements into step-by-step tutorials you can understand, covering children's product safety rules, tracking labeling, certification and testing, and much more. You'll also get access to valuable resources, including children's product certificate and tracking label samples, checklists, video lessons, and practical case studies. Plus, you'll get lifetime access, and all future updates are included. And rest assured, you're never on your own. You'll have a dedicated consultant on your side. Just send us a support ticket when you have questions about the course tutorials or compliance requirements in general. Your personal contact will get back to you, usually within 1 to 2 business days. We know your time is valuable. That's why each course is built to be completed quickly, typically in just 2 to 3 hours. Ready to take the next step? Sign up now on ComplianceGate.com.